Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your account in the Brainly app. First, let's open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu, then tap on settings, then tap on profile, and here at the bottom we find delete account. We can tap on this, and then after we have read all this text, we can tap on I understand and tap on delete my account to finish the process. After we have done that, it's basically like you can't get your account back. You can subscribe again, you can create a new account, but you can't get back your deleted one. But yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.